Stars photo.
Medyo ano ka na daw ngayon, bigatin ka na because of, di ba nakipag-collaborate ka na internationally?
Uh, Honestly, hindi ko alam I don't know how to feel, honestly, with all the collaborations I'm doing. When I was in the States, ang dami nangyari na, yung video namin ni Alex Leona when it came out on YouTube. I still couldn't believe kasi dati talagang pinapanood ko yung mga videos niya non-stop, daily, na paulit-ulit. And then I never knew I'd be able to be singing with that guy, even Leroy Sanchez. And nakakatuwa kasi yung suporta ng mga Pinoy sa States, yung Filipino community, and also the artists, and also the producers dun sa States. Sobrang silang supportive. Alam mo yung hindi ka nila parang pagpunta mo doon, they're gonna welcome you and want you to be successful as well. Talagang tutulungan ka nila. So, para sa akin, I don't wanna, yung term na bigatin, I guess, isipin na lang natin, just being able to do more work. I guess, nakaka-pressure kasi yung term na yun, or parang it doesn't sound as good, I guess.
Ano sinasabi ni Maris dun sa success na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon?
She has her input sa mga ginagawa ko, and she tells me actually na kahit papano, dapat bigyan ko pa rin importansya syempre yung career ko dito and Filipino music, OPM, which I think is super important kasi OPM now is, as we can see, sobrang ganda na OPM ngayon. Dami mga banda, dami mga artists na talagang lumalabas, and it's such a beautiful thing to be part of.
Do you still have time to each other? Although lagi kang abroad, kumbaga, how do you manage yung time together, di ba?
We rarely see each other nowadays, pero actually bukas meron kaming shooting for Millennial na tagal.
Oo nga, hindi pa ba
ang
tapos yun?
Tagal namin hindi nakakakuha ng schedule kasi it's either I'm busy or she's busy. So, masaya ako na finally magkakaroon kami ng shooting day for that. And our tour actually is coming up in a couple of weeks. And I always look forward to that kasi, I love performing with someone who is as passionate, and I've always said that in my past interviews. Meron kami mga bagong banda na kakantahin. And excited ako sa tour namin.
Tapos yung iMillennial, yung pinakita na sa yung trailer, di ba?
Premiere ng
10th anniversary ng Springfield.
So ano masasabi mo doon? Ang daming good response na parang excited na mapanood kayong dalawa.
Nakaka-excite. Honestly, nakakatakot na nakaka-excite. Every time naman may lumalabas sa project, hindi talaga na naging pakiramdam ng artist. Pero ako, masaya ako para sa buong team kasi alam kong lahat binigay namin dito, especially si Maris, sobra talagang nag-shine yung skills niya sa pagiging artista. Syempre, as in this film, sobra talagang nagawa niya yung mga acting pieces na nagulat ako kasi hindi siya pure drama. It's very it's comedy.
It's a good
not everyone can pull that off. Not a lot of artists can pull off yung ginagawa ni Maris. So nakakatuwa and nakaka-excite for the whole
And
team.
may similarity sila Wenji tsaka si Elenia L. Dahil para silang YouTuber.
di ba?
Actually.
Pero ano ito, paano nyo sila, paano nyo iano sa market, sa tao yung pelikula since ngayon niya mahina yung mga pelikula.
Yun nga, actually, I was talking to my dad about it. Kasi as much as possible, I also want to learn, whatever my dad's doing with the Spring Films. And, kahit sa music din naman, parang nakaka-excite, pero I guess, yung sa pag-evolve din kasi ng technology, we have Netflix, we have iFlix, we have iWant, parang ngayon, it's sad to say, but people are easily just, turning into those things. Pero I think dapat supportahan pa rin natin yung mga Philippine movies that are in the cinema. Because I feel like that's what's gonna enable us to make more quality films if we support it and not download it pirated or pag sa Facebook, di ba, nag-depend na parang, nasa Facebook na yun nakapulpix. Sana supportahan din nila kasi, that's the only way that we're gonna be able to make quality films if we support our, yung sariling gawa natin sa mga producers natin dito sa Pilipinas. So para hindi rin tayo magreklamo na di ba't hindi quality yung mga nagagawa natin, di ba?
Do you agree na dapat ilagay sa Friday yung opening day ng mga pelikula?
Actually, pwede actually kasi parang mas, di ba, weekend. Hindi ko pa narinig yun, pero actually that's a good thing, and I think there would have to be a lot of, parang questions na dapat pag-usapan in terms of bakit dapat gawing Friday, pero initially ako, reaction ko rin sa I think that would be a good idea because magiging free yung mga tao para manood.
Ano reaction ni Maris nung nalaman niyang may collaboration ka with Wenji?
No, she's very supportive sa lahat ng ginagawa.
Kilala niya si Wenji personally, na?
Hindi pa niya naman.
Hindi pa. Are you willing to introduce Wenji to her soon kung
It'd be
sakali?
great to be able to show her to as much as as much as dito sa mga kaibigan ko dito sa Philippines. But yeah, why not if given the chance?
Hindi ba siya nagselos?
I mean, like what I said, she's very supportive sa lahat naman. But yeah, she always tells me to really, give importance to my career here in the Philippines, no matter what.
Ano yung sekreto niyo? Even na magkalayo kayo, you have different works, and then kumbaga nagtutuloy pa rin yung inyong kumbaga friendship, and then more.
I guess really supporting one another no matter what, and really putting aside each other's differences kasi marami naman kaming similarities, so naiintindihan namin yung mga ginagawa ng isa't isa. And I guess a very special friendship would have to have a base na kung saan you guys have appreciation for each other in anything that you do. Ako sobrang na-appreciate yung whenever we're together we share each other's simple things like sabihin niya sa akin, pakinggan mo yung bago kong sinulat na kanta. Simple things like that kasi nakikita mo na-appreciate niya yung ginagawa mo, na-appreciate ko yung ginagawa niya as a person, as an artist. And I think that's what makes moments special for one another. Opo.
Go.
Yung ano lang kasi yung mo, di ba? Nagpa-interview na finally for the
I know.
very first time. How was it?
Sa magandang buhay.
Did it take a long...
Yeah, actually, dapat surprise yun eh. Pero alam ko na talaga kasi ang tagal niya talaga decide, sabi niya gagawin ko ba ito o hindi. Si Mami talaga, siya yung pinaka-ayaw niya ng camera. Ayaw niya ng anything showbiz related. Sobrang siyang, parang she'll support me, yes. But she'll be behind the scenes. Eh, wala talagang pupunta dun sa interview. Sabi ko, grabe mo, walang pupunta dun sa interview ko. So, she did it for me. And masaya ako, nakakatuwa na ginawa ni Mami yun. Pero nakita ko talaga habang ginagawa namin yung magandang buhay na sobrang siyang parang medyo nagpapanik. Pero she enjoyed it
Since
naman.
hindi ka namin siya masyado nakikita, hindi siya ganun kabukal gaya ng last. Ano yung mga sinasabi niya sa'yo pag ganito may mga major milestone?
Si Mami, minsan nagsisend si Mami, kunyari nasa trabaho, magsisend si Mami ng picture na pinapakinggan niya yung kanta ko, yung mga hindi pa na-release. Tapos, alam mo yung pupunta siya from bata ako na grabe nung Center for Population Fund, this and that, nung nasa high school ka, ito, tapos ngayon you're doing this. She never fails to remind me where I came from, she never fails to remind me that dati sa banyo lang ako kumakanta. Palagi niyang nire-remind na ang special yung mga opportunities na nabibigay sa'yo. So dapat bigyan mo ng importansya and value every opportunity. Not just because you're this person, not because you have this right now, doesn't mean you'll have it forever. So my mom always reminds me na imagine mo ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon kung wala ka nito.
Inigo, ano yung similarities nila Maris at Wenji?
Yung height ata nila parehas.
Parang payat?
Siguro, bright personality.
Sandali lang.
Bright personality. I mean, as we can see, she's very friendly. Maris also is very friendly na, alam mo, tipong makikipag-usap kung kanino. And I think that's something that we rarely see nowadays sa mga artists, someone that is really just, friendly kung kanino man and not choosing the people to be friends with.
Last na lang, you are friends with Loy sa Andalia, di ba? Nabalitaan mo yung nangyari na nag-viral yung kanyang parang yung video na hindi naman siya na-probe. Anong may support ang binigay mo sa kanya during that times?
Para sa akin, ang tao, we go through a lot of things and if it's not noise, honestly, I haven't heard much about it kasi nanggaling akong Davao nung nangyari lahat na yun. So I was focused on supporting my dad. Pagbalik ko actually, kahapon ko lang siya nalaman. I haven't seen the video. Pero para sa akin, kung ang tao, if something bad happens with that, more than anything, more than making fun of anybody, we should, help that person because kung tayo man may pagdaanan, we wouldn't want someone to make us feel as if na mali yung ginagawa mo. Even if it's wrong, you should at least help the person. And like what I said, if they said it's not her, then it's not her. Para sa akin, as her friend, if people are hating on her, all I could do is really just, help her in any way.
Sige, please invite them na lang to support itong ano
Mr.
mo.
Nice Guy.
Ayan,
And your
maraming
upcoming
salamat. Mga kapamilya, sana po supportahan niyo po ang bago naming kanta ni Wenji, Mr. Nice Guy. We have an English, Tagalog, Taglish version of this. And of course, a -1 version is para makagawa rin kayo ng mga covers nyo. At syempre, sana abangan yung music video namin. This is our first collaboration with YG. Of course, sobra akong na-excite sa opportunity to. Sana excited din kayo. And yun, abangan nyo kami sa As of this Sunday.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Before you guys even on, two questions. First is, what